Okay, let's talk about weather. So, what is the weather like where you live? Well, you know that in Vietnam, which is nearby the equator, the weather is also it depends on the climate, which is human tropical monsoon. But if in the south, there are also only two seasons. And when I live in the north, in the capital of Vietnam, Hanoi, there are also several four seasons among include in a certain year. Well, in the fall, there's windy and a comfortable environment with the falling leaves. But in the winter, you will see and engage in the northeast monsoon, which is causing the cold, chilling, nippy, and clammy environment. Then when you, if despite wearing any clothes, you are you are suffer from the bone-chilling cold engagement. In the summer, it's like a sauna environment where the sun is hitting the ground and terrestrials, and we can deal with. Uh, if only when we let alone the protecting clothes at home. But in the spring, there's some softy cold with windy that it is the seasons that many floras that upbringing and emerge that's bringing the survival icon for people and also the flora and fauna. What do you do when the weather is bad? Well, when I look at in the heart of Vietnam, which is in the capital cities, I the the environment is surrounded by not only the rivers but also the mountainous area, which is an ideal place for protecting and being safe by the drastic and severe weathers. But I think that it is very severe and drastic uh, conditions of weather with storm or floods. If I'm stuck in the flood in outside, I will drive the motorbike by foot to ensuring the protection of engine and prevent and also prevent from locating near gantries because well you know that the flood will push the gantries and by raining heavily the gantries may will falling down very occasionally and accidentally here falling into my body as a way I can go to death now very significantly. And storm. In a storm, I usually stay at home. By broadcasting in the television, I will stay at home all the day, closing the door and take the bed all down to protecting my home. Not only that, playing games and also IT activities to suffer from and to get over from such drastic weather conditions. As a way I can prevent from remind about the drastic weather conditions. What type of weather do you like best? Well, I think that it is, I have no definite answer about this. One, that's an interesting question. Well, you know that if I live in the summer, I will have the desire to be why and how many times that how long that winter takes because it's summer, it's very hot, like sauna, and I can bear with in the temperature, which is very hot, that sunny, it heat in the terrestrial. So I wish that winters come for showing fashionable clothes and soothing the high temperature. But when the northwest monsoon comes, causing the cold, chilly, and nippy, and also clammy environments. I'm wishing about how the summers is comes to immersing in the swimming pool or intending in the coastal activities, constructing the central class castle with my brothers. But in conclusion, I think that an immersive and fully encompassing environment with flowering trees is very romantic as an autumn, as a way we can rejuvenate our spirits and inspire in and inspire my motivation. Would you like to have the type of weather all year round? Well, you know that the temperate environment is ideal. But if there's no hot environment, you will have no chance to swim or paying your attendance to cosplay in the activities, such as you can immerse it in the waves or in the tidals, or you can paying your spending your time in the coastline to fighting the invaluable debris or constructing the sand castles. Moreover, in terms of the weather, if there's no exist, you can no chance to showing your fashionable clothes, or you could not have the sense of warmth with your close relationships or the sense of fulfillment when having the hot pot. So I want to have 4 seasons in 30 years. Either way, I can immerse it in any spectacular activities to immense and gain the fulfillment. Each season, for me, has bring some occasional memories for bringing my fulfillment in my life.